Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to talk about the Google Colab. Okay, so it is a very good editor for the writing the Python codes, which useful for the data scientist purpose. Okay, so let's click on it. So here in this editor we will be writing the key Python codes in this browser. So if you go to the new project, okay, so it asks the new notebook, click on it. So now your project is creating. You can wait until the project is over. Yeah, this all the project are saved under that Google Drive. So here this is the simple editor. Okay, so that you can see here the simple locate the, you can rename the project and edit all things available. So here, here you can type the simple, you can type the Python code, you can type print, you can type hello world, click it. This is a run button. So the thing is why it is saving. Okay, so it, if you press play button, right away this hello world will be displayed, because I have a small issue on my internet connection. That's why it takes some times. So I'm going to go to add another code. You can click at this button. So here you can see I'm going to try it another one. Here you can see there are various options are there. So I'm going to add two numbers. So I'm going to declare two variables. You can see here dot equal a plus b, print out the dot. Now let's run in the program. The 30 will be the answer. Okay, so simple, very simple. Then again I'm going to get add this here code. So I'm going to work on that if condition, if a greater than b. Okay, so this is a, I input 10, b 20. So let's colon, press enter key. Here it take care of the bracket and all. We no need to write bracket in Python. So you simply can type print a greater than b. Otherwise you can type else, print a less than b. Okay, so click on it, a greater than b. So here I have both, I put it. Okay, so now let's again you type a less than b. This condition is a greater than b. If a greater than b, this block of the code will be executed. If it is failed, this block of code will be executed. The else is the correct block of code, that will be the answer. Okay, so this how we can work on it, that Google Colab. Okay, this is a very best tool for us to writing PHP, Python code, as well as a data scientist. Everything data science, when you are working with the data science, everything you will be able to do it at Python Pro. Okay, this is how we can simply we can work on it. Okay, this is very simple. You can work on it. Here this RAM here, let's work on it. Okay, no problem. You can work on it. You can save it on your machine. You can save it. Save in your uh, Google Drive. This all the codes. Okay, this is how you can get the benefit of this uh, Google Cloud. Okay, so thank you for watching.